So this is a presentation of how I clean and disinfect my Kenmore washing machine with monthly services. And my problem started when I went to do some laundry and I smelled a slight odor coming from the drum. From now on, I plan on cleaning and disinfecting my washing machine monthly to prevent this from happening again. These are the 4 products I'm using for my monthly cleaning and disinfecting services. I understand that Affresh is an excellent deep cleaner, but it isn't an official disinfectant or sanitizer. So if you use Affresh and your laundry is itchy or uncomfortable, the problem may be the existence of residual bacteria, which might be resolved by sanitizing with bleach, as demonstrated in this presentation. As a friendly warning, do not mix Affresh, Bleach, or Lysol laundry sanitizer in the same washing cycles. you found this video informative or helpful, please show support for future demonstrations by leaving a like and subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching.